Welcome to CAHSEE release question number 156. It says a shipping company has 25 offices that shipped 60,000 packages last week. Whew, that's a lot of packages. The offices were open 6 days and used 80,000 kilowatt hours of electricity. Man, that's a lot of electricity. All right, which pieces of information given above are necessary to find the average number of packages shipped per day last week? And then we have these four choices here. So with this one, I would think of it like this. If we're trying to figure out what is the average number of packages per day, let's underline that part here. How are we going to figure this out? What would that be? The average number of packages per day. There's that word per again. We saw that in the previous question. We should be thinking something divided by something. This would be the total packages shipped divided by, or per, the number of days. So the total packages divided by the number of days. What information do we have here? We have, it says it was open 6 days. So we have this, and we have the total packages shipped. We have this right here. The kilowatt hours, that's just irrelevant information. It's superfluous. It's unnecessary to solve the problem here, to figure out what we're trying to figure out here. So we have both of these. So what do we actually need to be able to solve this problem? Notice we're not actually doing the calculations here. That's a lot of the mathematical reasoning questions will be like that. You just have to think it through rather than do the arithmetic or do the calculations. You have to decide what do you have to do, or what would you have to do, or what would you have to have. So the number of offices and the number of packages. If you knew how many offices there were, that's not really going to help you figure out how many packages per day that was. So number 156, not that one. Choice B, the number of packages and the amount of electricity used. Here the electricity again, that's not what we're looking for. We need packages, total packages shipped, and number of days. So this one, no. Number of packages and the number of days open during the week. There we go. We have that information here. That's what we need to figure out the average number of packages per day. And so choice D, let's just make sure that is incorrect. The number of days open during the week and the amount of electricity used. Again, there's the electricity. That's not going to have a bearing upon how many packages per day we have. So choice D is incorrect. Number 156, choice C is the correct answer.